ESL Basic Questions Review. Hi, my name is Eric, and today I want to share a free PPT where you can practice basic English questions with your students. This is a free PPT from the Twinkle website. They do not sponsor this video, but whenever they put out free material that I think English teachers might find useful, I like to share it. So let's open up the PPT. I'll also show you how to edit the PPT for your own needs. So ESL Basic Questions Review. There are 3 columns. This one is for the topic, the questions, and example answers. Hello, how are you? I'm well, thanks. How about you? I'm fine, thanks. What's your name? My name is Eric. How do you spell your first name? Or how do you spell your name? How do you spell that? E-R-I-C. You can see that this is British English because they use surname. In American English, they would ask last name. What's your surname? It's Wish. Let me quickly show you how to change that. So we'll just exit here. We'll just change this to last name. And then there's a box over here that you just move out of the way. And then you say last name, and then you just put the box back where you found it. So you can even make it a bit smaller so that it doesn't cover the edges. And then last name, it's Wesh, and let's open it back up. So last name, what's your last name? It's Wesh. Where are you from? From South Africa. What's your phone number? What's your email address? Do you have any brothers or sisters? I have 3 brothers. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. So I would suggest going through all these questions first with your students and practice with them. How old are you? I'm 35 years old, maybe. What time is it? Where do you go to English class? When's your birthday? So if I want to change this, I just exit, move the box out of the way, and my birthday is the 18th of March. I'm expecting presents next year. So first, I would go through all the questions with my students. I would also ask them to write down the questions and the example answers. After I've practiced with them, I place them into pairs and they have to practice it with a partner. Each pair has to perform one of the topics in front of class. And how do they pick? Click on here. They have to say stop, and then they have to do a conversation about email address. One student asks the other what their email address is. So we've got the wheel for these topics, for these topics. They just say stop and they have to talk about birthday. This wagon wheel can be repurposed for other topics too. That is the ESL Basic Questions Review PPT. I put the link in the description below. I'm Eric from Etiquette, and I'll see you next time.